Hello, dear friends. Today we will be learning about ancient Roman gods. Ancient Roman gods. Romans had gods for every imaginable things. The first 18 gods: Quirinus, Jupiter, Juno, Neptune, Mars, Venus, Apollo, Minerva, Diana, Ceres, Vesta, Cupid, Saturn, Vulcan, Mercury, Bacchus, Aphrodite, Aurora. Quirinus Sabine. In Roman mythology and religion, Quirinus is an early god of the Roman state. Quirinus was a Sabine god of storms and thunder. He was a war god and a god of the Roman people. Orcus. He was hated by the Roman gods. Even they sometimes conflicted him by Pluto, Hades and Despater. The name Orcus may have came from his punishing side as he kept tormenting people. Jupiter. The eagle is his sacred animal and the thunderbolt is his identifying weapon. Juno. Juno, in Roman religion, chief goddess and female counterpart of Jupiter, closely resembling the Greek Hera, with whom she was identified. Juno is the Roman goddess of love and marriage. Neptune. He rode a horse or a dolphin to rule the sea. Romans also worshipped him as the god of horses under the name Neptune Equestor. Mars. He is the god of war and was thought to be the protector of the Roman state. Venus. She is the mother of the Roman people. Venus was the goddess of love, beauty, fertility, and prosperity. Apollo. Apollo is one of the Olympian deities in classical Greek and Roman mythology. Apollo has been recognized as a god of archery, music, dance, and poetry. He is also a god of light. Minerva. Minerva is the goddess of thousands of works, known to rule over wisdom, poetry, and crafts. She was to have believed to come out of Jupiter's forehead after he had swallowed her mother. Most believe that Minerva was Jupiter's favorite offspring, as she was a powerful force of both humans and gods. Diana. Diana is the goddess of the hunt, the possessor of nature and the moon. She was Apollo's twin, and although she is similar to the Greek goddess Artemis, she was a very private goddess with her main job to bring out the moon. Ceres. Ceres is the second sister of Jupiter. She was the goddess of the harvest and agriculture, as well as being the goddess of fertility. When Ceres was unhappy, all the Roman crops died, with her tears being the leaves that fell from the trees and bushes. The reason for the seasonal changes is due to the Ceres moon. Vesta. Vesta is the last sister of Jupiter. Vesta was the goddess of heart and home. She had an entire cult devoted to her named the Vestal Virgins. It was said she once gave the Emperor of Rome an everlasting flame to protect Rome from harm. Cupid. This god is winged because those in love are thought to be able to fly, because he is the god of love. Saturn. The Romans identified him as an agriculture deity similar to the Greek god Cronus. He also was the son of Gaia and Uranus. Vulcan. Vulcan was a god of fire in Romans, particularly in its destructive aspects as volcanoes. Poetically, he is given all the attributes of the Greek god Hephaestus. Mercury. He is a significant Roman god. In Roman religion, Mercury is the god of shopkeepers, merchants, travelers, transporters of goods, thieves, and tricksters. He is commonly identified with the Greek Hermes, the fleet-footed messenger of the gods. Bacchus. He was the son of the mortal Salome and the king of god Jupiter. Bacchus was related to agriculture, wines, and fertility. Aphrodite. She is the goddess of love, passion, beauty, victory, and fertility. Her father and mother are unknown, as it was said one day she just simply appeared. She was married to Anchises. Aurora. Aurora is the Latin word for dawn, and the goddess of dawn in Roman mythology. Aurora renews herself every morning and flies across the sky, announcing the arrival of the sun.